Welcome to Come Shopping With Me, where each week I'm taking you on a journey to find the most amazing handmade creations. So if you're someone that wants to stop buying mass-produced, don't worry, I've got you covered. Each week there's something new for you to uncover. And this week, of course, as the lead up into Christmas, we're jumping into the most amazing handmade Christmas decorations. So I've got 5 creations that are going to absolutely surprise and delight. My first pick is from the ceramicist Billie Wagtail Pottery. Now, I absolutely love Billie's creations. I've already had one of her mugs, I've already had a couple of her pieces, and I really love the paint detail that she does on each of her pieces. They've got such a beautiful organic feel to them, and you might have seen her very well-known sunflowers and also bees that she features on a lot of her pieces. But these decorations, honestly, they make me smile so much, and she's got a few variations, but this is my favorite one, and it's the giant prawn, and I love how it's got this beautiful gold detail on it as well, so it catches the light. Now, as far as size wise, you can see that it's actually quite a decent size, like it's almost like the palm of my hand, I would say, but hanging, they just catch the light beautifully. But one of the things that I really love about handmade decorations as well is that most of them have a back that you can actually write on as well. So I find that for me, I love keeping my decorations as a memory, so to be able to actually write something on the back to spark me each year when I pull them out, it just makes Christmas that much better. Now, this Christmas decoration, I've never seen these before, but I absolutely love this idea. And this is by Marcelina, which is illustrations by Herman. And again, her work is so beautiful, but these are a little bit different to her normal portraiture work that she does. Her custom portraits, oh my goodness, the pet one's just phenomenal. But have a look. These are these mini caricature medals that she's created, and they've got the ribbon on it so that they can be hung from the tree. But I've literally got one here of my son, my cat, and then of me. And again, you know, they've got that spot on the back where you can literally write what the decoration is about. But I love these. These are so beautiful. These are something that we're going to treasure for years to come. This next one here, it is a ceramic piece, but it's actually by one of the artists on our platform. And this is by Kymco Handmade. And again, I have quite a few of Kim's creations. I love her style. I love her subtle, soft brush that she's got with the detail that she does. But these wind chimes that she has this year, and she's got another variation as well that I really love that doesn't have the wind chime, but I'm going with the wind chime this time. But have a look at the packaging that they actually come. So I think these are a beautiful gift. I've got Christmas coming up with a couple of my friends, and I'm really excited to give them each one of these pieces. Now, the actual wind chime itself is so, you can hear it chiming away, but have a look at that beautiful detail that she's got on each one of these. Now, these are individually hand painted, and it means that you're really not only getting a Christmas decoration, but you're also getting a beautiful piece of art when you're grabbing some of Kymco's creations. Now, this pick here that I'm doing, it's not only about the fact that these are absolutely gorgeous, but also the price. Oh my goodness, these are $15 and include free shipping. Now, they are super lightweight, and these are by Wally and Eva, and have a look at this gorgeous little red robin that we've got. So beautiful, again with that lovely shimmery gold that's popped on, so it just catches the light on the tree. But I've actually got quite a few of these pieces from Wally and Eva. I've got some from last year as well, but I love that native sort of feel that it's got, and it really ties in well with the other Christmas decorations that I've got for my travels around the world. So these are definitely one that I would highly recommend. And again, look, the blank back that you can write your Christmas memories on. Now, this one is definitely last but not least, and these are these amazing crocheted ornaments by Flossies Crafts. Now, I've got this gorgeous little koala, but I just wanted to show you the actual size of them because they're actually quite big, and I just love them. This is one of my most treasured little guys that I have on my tree as well. But she has got so many different animals, native Australian animals, that are crocheted into these Christmas themes. But again, gorgeous gift for you, but also a gorgeous gift to give away to someone. Even like maybe first Bob's Christmas. What a way to remember it. So there we have it. That's my 5 hot picks, current hot picks for Christmas decorations on Made It. Now, as you know, we have over 800 artisans on the platform, and there are so many beautiful Christmas decorations. So I'd love to invite you to come on over and take a look. And just to remind you that when you're buying from Made It, you're buying directly from an artist, you're shopping small, you're supporting local. And honestly, isn't that what we'd all love to have this Christmas? Have a great day wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.